Hey guys, Henry from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to put text behind an image so you can create a thumbnail in PowerPoint presentation. Okay guys, before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know that here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks. We help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. While you're at it, why not consider sharing? That way other people can get the benefit of the video too. So let's go head on over and check it out now. Alright, now in this part of the video, we're going to be looking at putting the text behind the image. Now, first of all, let's choose an image. Now, ordinarily, if you were going to be doing this yourself, you would put yourself in the image, you'd create an image of yourself, and you'd use it with yourself. But I'm just going to be using a generic one because it's a bit harder for me because I always wear black and I always have a dark background. So it means that I usually have to use two types of software to be able to get it right. Firstly, I need to use this, as then I go to use GIMP, which is also an image manipulator like PowerPoint, like Photoshop. So, first thing we need to do is go over here to this slide, this one on the left-hand side, this pane, and we're going to right-click, and we're going to go down to where it says Layout, and we're going to hit Blank. Now, the next thing we need to do is go choose an image. Now, I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to go down to Insert. I'm going to click on Picture. I'm going to go to Stock Images, wait for this to wake up, and I'm going to scroll down till I find the one I'm looking for. There we go. I'll use this hawk, and I'm going to hit Insert. Now, as you can see, this is not going to fit in the screen. So what we need to do is we need to go click on the actual image, and over here on the top right hand side, you'll see where it says Crop. Now, at the bottom, you'll see a little drop down arrow, so you click on that. And then you go down to where it says aspect ratio, and we click on that and we go down to 16.9, and then we click off the image onto the white part of the screen, and that will then put it into an aspect ratio. So all we need to do is grab it and take it down to the very bottom like that. Now the next thing we need to do is we need to right click here and we need to duplicate the slide. So this way we have the two images like this, and I'm going to be working mainly on the bottom image. Now what we need to do is we need to click on the actual image itself, and over here that'll open up this picture format tab. We click on that, and then over here on the left hand side you'll see where it says remove background. So we then click on that, and what's going to happen is this hawk will be highlighted up in pink and everything around it. Now what we need to do is we need to remove some of that pink because that is part of the bird. So let's click on that. We click on one that says mark area to keep, and then this pen will show up, and then we just highlight over the top with the pen, and that will allow us to be able to keep the areas that we want to keep. Now it's not always 100% accurate, but I think on this particular image it should be pretty good. Click on that, scroll down there to there. Okay, make sure I get all of that. Got it. Okay, now I think that should be everything. Let's click on that, and there we have it. Now I'm going to save this to my desktop. I'm going to go right click and save as picture, and then I'm going to save it to my desktop right here, and I'm going to call this one Hawk. Oops. Okay, cap lock. There we go, Hawk. Now it's been saved as a PNG, portable network graphic format, and we can hit save. Now we're going to go to the top screen just here. We click on that, and what I want to do is I want to insert some text. So to do that, we go over here to where it says shape. We click on that, and over here where it's where you see this, it's got the text box. We click on that, and I'm going to put the text box right about here, and I want it right where the tail is. Now, one of the things we need to do in this particular case is we need to adjust this a little bit. So I'm going to be making this one impact because I like that one as a font. and we hit enter. And I'm also going to extend the size of this to say 96, and we're going to say Mighty Hawk. There we are. Now we might want to adjust this a little bit. Go down here, grab the text, drag it down just a little bit. So as you can tell, it's behind the hawk a little bit, but still readable. You can still tell what it's going to be. So, that being done, all we now need to do is go over here to Insert, go over here to Picture, go to this device. Now remembering we saved it under Hawk on my desktop, so it's right there. And what that's going to do is it's going to overlay that image straight on top of the other one. And it's usually a perfect fit. So as you can see, this image is seen right over the top of the text. Now you can apply the same principles of this to an image of yourself for a thumbnail. And the best part about that is you can go to somewhere like Canva, or if you're a paid member, you can have maybe Thumbnail Blaster or something along those lines, and you can use that to create this effect. Now the best part about doing this is it's really good for your thumbnails. And I use this sort of thing all the time, and you'll see it in most of my thumbnails. In fact, you'll even see it in this thumbnail. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. And now, if you like this video, please remember to smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, and while you're at it, why not share? Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.